Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Belgian Endive, often perceived as bitter, undergoes a delightful transformation when cooked properly, becoming wonderfully sweet and tender. Its unique texture adds an elegant touch to any meal, whether you're aiming for a quick weeknight dinner or something more sophisticated. Don't let its raw reputation fool you. Cooking unlocks its true potential. You'll be surprised by how easily this humble vegetable can elevate your culinary creations, offering a subtle, refined flavor that truly shines. Preparing Belgian Endive correctly is crucial for achieving the best flavor and texture in your cooked dishes. Start by gently washing each head under cool, running water, removing any outer leaves that appear bruised or discolored. The next important step involves trimming just a small portion off the very bottom of the core. This tiny cut helps to minimize any residual bitterness, while ensuring the endive head stays nicely intact during cooking. Simple preparation leads to delicious results. Sautéing or braising are fantastic methods to unlock endive's inherent sweetness, yielding a beautifully tender and caramelized vegetable. Begin by cutting each endive head in half lengthwise, then place them cut side down in a hot pan with a little butter or oil until golden brown. Next, add a splash of broth, wine, or water to the pan. Cover it tightly and allow the endive to gently simmer over low heat for about 10 to 15 minutes until it becomes wonderfully fork tender and translucent. This simple approach yields a truly delightful side dish. Roasting is another excellent way to cook Belgian endive, intensifying its flavors and developing a lovely caramelized sweetness. Simply cut each endive head in half lengthwise, then toss them with a drizzle of good olive oil, a pinch of salt, and freshly ground black pepper. Arrange them on a baking sheet, cut side up, and roast in an oven preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. After about 20 to 25 minutes, or until they are beautifully tender and lightly browned, your delicious roasted endive is ready to enjoy. It's a surprisingly easy method. Cooked Belgian endive, with its mild sweetness and tender texture, makes a fantastic accompaniment to a wide variety of dishes. It pairs beautifully with roasted chicken, seared fish, or even as a unique addition to a vegetable medley. For a simple yet elegant finish, a squeeze of fresh lemon juice and a sprinkle of chopped parsley or chives really brightens its flavor. Don't hesitate to experiment with different seasonings, from a balsamic glaze to a creamy sauce, to find your perfect endive combination. Enjoy exploring this versatile vegetable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.